Today we headed 70 kilometres south of Perth to Thicket Beach, the closest road registered four-wheel drive vehicle beach. We did call the local Shire City of Mandurah to get permission for the modified wheelchair Polaris, but normally they don't allow off-road registered vehicles, so thanks to the Ranger Department for allowing us access today. Unfortunately, the other guys couldn't bring their buggies. Naf, James and Brian are supporting me today in the 2012 Ford Ranger, so we are testing the quad truck and the Ford Ranger in the soft conditions along the sandy beach and enjoying a good day out. It's about 22 degrees Celsius with a slight onshore breeze. The plan is to take a run down the tracks behind the dunes and then come back and drop down into the beach and head south towards White Hills. There's a couple of sections where you have to go around the rocks and between the reef before the tide comes in. It's not a huge tide today, just a few metres. Hopefully it doesn't make much difference. Anyway, let's head down these tracks. Go on some trails around the backside of the dunes for a little bit. It's really just two-wheel drive stuff around here. These trails here just go from Thicket Beach all the way down to White Hills Beach. It's actually a softer, smoother ride to take the beach down. We'll head back up and around to the beach entrance. It's such a cracker of a day and the water out there looks amazing. The boys will have to go for a dip later. We'll just pull over to the left here, let these guys through. Okay, let's do it. swell out there. A little bit of an onshore breeze. It's not too bad yet. It's about 10 o'clock in the morning. We're just pulling up here to regroup. We'll let the tyres down a little bit more on the quad truck. It was really struggling coming through that sand. The range is going fine, but yeah, it's stressing me out a little bit. I'm definitely going to have a go at trying to get around this first reef here. I know there's two to get around. There's another one a little bit further up. I think we can get around this one. Okay, here we go, round the reef.
Yeah, let's see how you do under pressure. Yeah, I've been wanting this shit forever. I've been in the field with whatever they throw at me. Brush it off, pick myself up, moving on to the better. Hey. Ain't no errors, baby, it's a new era. I wake up early, feeling rich like I'm Kesha. I get to the paper, boy. Fuck with me, you know that I got it. Come with me, let's take a trip to the islands. We up on the jet, we'll do more than just fly on it. Stand on that hill, you gon' die on it. Baby, I'm not one of them, you should try on it. Miss me with all that, I'm on to the next. Fuck this up, I send you back to your ex, but good luck with that.
Okay, that is soft beach sand. Whew, mini break again. We've got round the first bit of the reef. You can see all the reef actually right on the shoreline there. I don't know what to do. I don't know whether to stay up in the soft stuff here and be safer from the shoreline. It is harder down there, but it's still a bit soft, kind of right on the edge there. I just don't want to get stuck, man. I just don't want to get stuck. It looks like James is stuck in the Ranger. He'll have to back up a bit.
Yeah.
Did he get stuck in the Ranger?
Nah.
Nah? He's just crawling along.
Up in the shots if they wanted to smoke. If you know, then you know. Suited up, bitch, my whole team do the same. Don't you forget who created the game. Ready for war, I was born with grenades. The trenches where soldiers are made. Let's see how you do under pressure. Let's see how you do under pressure. Give them a name to remember. Hey, let's see how you do under pressure. Let's see how you do under pressure. A moment can live on forever. Let's see how you do under pressure. Let's see how you do under pressure. Give them a name to remember. Hey, let's see how you do under pressure. Let's see how you do under pressure. A moment can live on forever.
Naff and Brian are just easing in, just getting a feel for the water, just cooling off a bit. Oh, there's a couple of sets coming in. That one off the back there. Don't go too deep, Naff. There's a good one, look. He's going to get dumped. Naff's just got dumped. Luckily it's shallow. Back around the reef. Well, these are the same tracks that we came down on, so we'll follow these. We'll wait for this wave here and then we'll sneak around. Trying to beat this one. Let's go. Alright, so easy. That's a wrap for our day down at Tim's Thicket Beach and White Hills. Thanks again to the boys for their help and supports out here. I think we have a little work to do, change the oils and check the belts, but overall, pretty happy with it. This is the beach exit here. If you do come down to Tim's Thicket, just check the tides to get around the reef sections. I hope you enjoyed the video and we will catch you in the next one. Bye.